If you ever doubted the ability of children to make a difference, doubt no more.
We are ditching the uniforms for a day and raising money for one fund.
It feels really great because I know that I'm helping other people that are hurt.
Because they shouldn't be worrying about money, they should be worrying about recovery.
Here's how it officially works. The students make a donation in exchange for being able to wear Boston gear. The donations are given directly to the One Fund. So far, they've raised $4,000.
We have a great community here of giving.
Raising money isn't the only thing they've done. At the Beethoven School, students ages 9 and under are signing thank you notes to firefighters, to emergency responders, and to police.
All right, so if you're on the blue, come sign this one.
And they've also made a poster using adjectives to describe Boston.
Boston is the Red Sox. Boston is the Bruins.
It's just a small reminder that
Boston is the best.
Erica Mora, The Boston Herald.